Introducing Silverback Comprehensive Spill Control Systems, designed to help businesses identify environmental risk and meet compliance needs. Our trained field staff conduct thorough risk assessments, providing cost-effective recommendations, reports and action plans, offering products and services to minimize environmental risk and provide continual support. Silverback's tailored spill response training packages cater for different levels of expertise, from basic spill training to in-depth training for managers and emergency teams, where we cover legal requirements and site-specific hazards. And that's not all. Silverback maintenance and service programs provide routine inspections and maintenance for critical assets such as spill kits, dangerous goods cabinets, bunding equipment, and safety showers. With these dedicated programs, we provide continual site safety and environmental compliance. Discover Silverback spill control systems that assist in protecting your business, staff, and the environment.